Welcome back. So before heading to our next SQL session, first download the MySQL workbench, which we will be using in our further discussions. So go to your browser, search for mysql.com, and from there go to download section, and in downloads there will be MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on that. So if you are installing MySQL for Windows, click on MySQL installer for Windows, and then you can download the latest version into your Windows. And if you are a MacBook holder, click on MySQL community server, and from there you can select the version you want to install, and you can select the Mac OS operating system, and then select your version of your operating system. So in my case, my version is Mac OS 15 ARM 64-bit. Download the DMG archive file and install it in your system. Once you complete this step, go back to your MySQL community downloads. From there, you should also download the MySQL workbench as well. Okay, so I'll select the Mac OS ARM 64-bit, and from there I'll download this DMG archive file. So I have already downloaded this file, so I'll just show you. So this is the file which I have downloaded, and once I'll open it, I'll simply click on MySQL workbench and paste it in application. So it will be available in our launchpad or in our applications.